Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe update today. So Pepe still is looking amazing, and one more thing I want to say very quickly is help me to reach 100k. You guys can do that, okay? I cannot do it. So if you're new, you're watching, you want to say thank you for the work that I'm doing, just click subscribe. It's pretty cheap and free as well to click a button. Now the thing is, Pepe is amazing right now, okay? And I want to keep things very, very simple. And that is, you have a bull cross, you made a move to the upside, you came down for the retest, you're probably retesting Pepe back to back again and again. And if you zoom in there, we talked about this before, you're holding the 10, you nearly came to the 20. Matter of fact is that you took the stop losses that we talked about, right? So all these stop losses have been taken away. Now it's time that we take a stop loss. I told you, I personally believe you're looking for this stop loss to be taken away. I've said this again and again. I'm saying it again. And it's time now for in the next 2-3 days that we look at another push to the moon. Now, here's the thing. On the daily, you probably have made a bull flag as well, right? This is a continuation pattern to actually move even higher. So if things go as expected, we may be looking at a push up to this next technical target. We may be looking at Pepe to sit up to 17,780, and that's going to be a price appreciation we're taking in from there to there. This is like a 57.7% move to the upside we're talking about. Now, under one condition, the one final condition before I even tell you that we go to that technical target, because what happened in history is that you went up like this, you had a bull flag as well, but you didn't really go to that technical target. So why didn't it happen? And we can still have this very similar situation right over here in this current situation. In order for us to really make this bull cross up here and take the technical target up there, we have to break above this trend line. You see that trend line? If we break above it, then that's it. That's your next technical target, probably even higher, up to this area, which is 20,000 even instead of 17,000. So that's pretty much the update that I wanted to bring in for you. Again, subscribe, I guess. If you're new, you may never see this channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.